Hi everyone, in this video we'll be making masala egg curry. So let's get our ingredients together. We'll need 2 dried red chilies, some cardamom, cloves and black peppercorns. Here I have some eggs which are hard boiled. Two medium-sized onions finely chopped. And 2 tomatoes. You can either finely chop them or puree them in a blender. Now you'll need a toothpick to prick all the boiled eggs so that the flavors are completely absorbed within the egg. Now it's time to heat some oil. I'm using mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, gently add the boiled eggs one by one. We need to stir them for some time on medium flame until they start getting yellow. Try to cook them evenly from all sides. Once you're happy with their color, take them out one by one and leave them aside. Now it's time to get our masala ready. Let's add some cardamom, cloves and black peppercorns to the same oil that we were cooking the eggs in. You can press the cardamoms so that the flavor oozes out. It's time to add your chopped onions to the pan. Stir them properly until they are golden brown. That's always the golden rule. Keep stirring them. If you want, you can add like a sprinkle of water. Add 2 dried red chilies, some ginger garlic paste, now add the tomatoes. Mix it all together and cook until the tomatoes form a paste. It's time to add our spices. Let's add some salt, some turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder. If you want, you can add a little water so it all mixes up. Keep stirring it and cooking it on a medium flame. So now the masala looks ready. Let's add the eggs in it. You can keep adding a little water to it, but not too much at the same time. Keep cooking it for a while, and if you want, you can just cover it up for 5 minutes and just leave it. After 5 minutes, you'll see that your egg curry is ready. And now it's time to serve it. And just like any other Indian dish, if you want, you can add some chopped coriander leaves in the end. The garnish always makes it look much prettier. And do remember to follow us for more recipes.